Okay, let's see. Granite countertops, check. Soft closing doors, check. Oh, hey, welcome to 3233 North River Road. This house is fantastic. First off, you have this gourmet kitchen. You gotta love this. It's absolutely beautiful, tons of cabinetry, just laid out perfectly, hardwood flooring. But what you're really gonna like is the views from this fantastic home. Stick around. I think you're gonna like it.
So right off the bat, you're going to notice how well maintained this property is. Look at that roof. It is fantastic. Circle driveway, easy access in and out. Just beautifully maintained. This is the Black River, which you have full access to, and right down the road is a water launch. A 1.6 acre lot should be plenty of room for you. So if you're looking for the perfect home to do a staycation in, this is the place. Imagine yourself lounging out on the decks, having a coffee, watching the river, and then when you go inside, the house is beautiful. Hardwood flooring, 2 fireplaces, a custom kitchen with granite countertops, soft close, stainless steel, everything you can want. But this is my favorite room, the family room. You can check out the river, you can watch the deer play, and then come back into this lovely kitchen for a snack. Imagine playing cards on a Saturday night with you and some friends, listening to the birds chirp, the river flowing. A great place. You have a finished basement with a secondary fireplace. This house has it all. 3 bedrooms, bath and a half. Over 2,000 square feet of living space on the river. Super duper maintained. Don't miss out. If you let the sun set on this opportunity, it will be sold. Give us a call, schedule your private showing today, and start your stay vacation tomorrow. My name's Rich Sparks. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.